again, different orientation. It's flipped, so I'm gonna have to repipe, put our dryer here, but then we're gonna go loop that way. And somebody was a little heavy on the flame there. Melted this cap too. Super simple one. We're just gonna go in, connect our suction. We have the double cap tube. I meant to point this up, and I'll bend it up, and that's it. It's a little rough to get over this horrible gravel. Alright, I knew I forgot something. This is the condensate pan heater from the discharge line. It is steel, it looks like, so I don't see any corrosion or pitting or anything, so we'll just clean it up. Alright, so it's gonna get dirty again anyway, but this has a little rougher side. Scrubbed it down. Just want to make sure that we inspected it and it's still good with some great wipes right there. So looks good to me. We're just gonna put it back in. Forgot I do need to expand that 1/4 inch line that I'm gonna cut into right here. Lost my 3/8 adapter for the Hvacr tool. So backup is my spin set. This thing only takes like half a pound, a few ounces, so we're probably gonna need more because of the dryer. And the old one didn't have a receiver. It's like a little mini one. So I just couldn't record everything and I was getting annoyed, and I feel like shit today. It is so hot. It is like 105 right now. It's March. We're supposed to be okay weather, but I don't know why it feels like summer. If you guys want, well, this will bring in the calls, but if you guys want continuous calls, get into commercial refrigeration. I took a lunch. I was letting this thing run. It ran fine. It's the best it'll be. Has a whole new condensing unit. I've replaced the evaporator in the past. At this point, that's as much as a new unit that they're going to get. They didn't want to buy a new one. That's why they made us do this. During the day, it would always be at 40. So I was like, yeah, it's not going to work anymore. So they wanted the whole condensing unit. I gave them options. That's what they wanted. And it dropped to 35 really quick. 36, 35. My fill piece inside said 35, actually 34. And I left it alone like that. Oh, but my point is, I got a walk-in right now, and it is the hottest time of day. Refrigeration just doesn't stop. So I got a walk-in cooler that's at 50 degrees. I'm gonna go look at it right now. It sucks that it's so hot. I don't feel like being on the roof. It's a Friday afternoon, mind you. So, and that's, like I said, I felt like shit.